Introduction. In this video, we will learn about indoor air pollution and its causes and effects. Why does indoor air matter? What is causing the pollution indoors? Who is most vulnerable to it? We all have known and heard about pollution from vehicles, industries, and many other sources, but have we thought about indoor pollution? We hardly pay attention to the indoor air quality. Did you know that according to the WHO, 4.3 million people die from exposure to household air pollution in a year? Causes of indoor air pollution. Indoor air pollution is caused by cooking and heating, chemical cleaning items, perfume, hairspray, air freshener, etc., building materials like asbestos, glass, fiber, paints, and varnishes. Moreover, lack of ventilation, sealed air-conditioned office spaces, cigarette smoking, and allergens are also the cause of air pollution in indoor spaces. Enclosed air-conditioned urban office spaces are also prone to poor indoor air quality. Although these factors are considerably urban-centric, rural areas too face indoor air pollution. The major cause is cooking fuel, cow dung, charcoal, and wood. Indoor air pollution can be due to the indoor spaces or can be drawn from outside. Effects. Indoor air particles are often measured at the range of 2.5 microns or less, which are severely harmful. The particulate matter measuring 2.5 or less are especially dangerous as they can infiltrate the deepest part of our lungs. In response, our immune cells surround them and release molecules that cause inflammation, which can cause chest pain, breathing problems, and other infectious diseases. Children, women, and elderly are the most vulnerable to indoor air pollution as they spend most of their time at home or in indoor spaces. Children are exposed as they have a narrow airway, making them more vulnerable to the damaging effects of air pollution. Prevention. Indoor air pollution is avoidable. Switching to alternative cooking and heating options like solar cooking ways or electric cooking stoves, especially in rural households, avoiding usage of chemical sprays and cleaning items, and allowing proper ventilation. If you want to know about climate change, click on the link below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Switch On Foundation.